heard that you want to master the DSA. Oh, that's nice to hear. But before diving deep into the DSA, you must need some devices which will help you enhance your DSA skills. Let me show you the devices. You don't need all this stuff. A laptop which can run certain IDEs for your programs, that is more than enough for you. So data structures are nothing but storing and organizing the data efficiently. First step for the foundation of programming is to learn a programming language. There are so many languages in the market. In that, mostly preferred languages are like C, C++, Java, and Python. And I prefer to go with C++ or Java. In this programming language, you must have a clear knowledge on their basic syntax, conditional statements, loops, and oops concept. Okay, without having a clear knowledge on these basic topics, it will be bit harder for you to learn the DSA. Okay, solve n number of questions as much as you can. Here are the some list of questions, and you will find plenty of questions on any websites, and you can go to that website and solve the questions. Learn about space and time complexity, how to calculate space and time complexity, how much memory your program is consuming, how much time an algorithm needs to complete a task. Okay, it is very much needed to make a efficient code. Okay, now let's discuss the topics that you must learn in the data structures. The list stands like arrays, then strings, then linked list, and these are the types of linked list, then stacks, queues, trees, graphs, hash maps, hash sets. And if you have chosen the Java programming language, you must know about the collection framework. And collection framework includes list interface, queue interface, dequeue interface, set interface, sorted set interface, and map interface. Okay, so these are the most important data structure topics. Along with that, there are many data structures are also there, but these are the most important ones. Now let's discuss the topics of algorithm that you must know. This includes sorting, then searching, recursion, backtracking, divide and conquer, and dynamic programming, tree traversal, graph algorithms, hashing, greedy, and bit manipulation. These algorithms are must, and there are so many algorithms are also there, but these are the most important ones. After you learn all these things, you can go for much better algorithms and advanced algorithms. Just learning the topics will not help you to stronger your concept. For that reason, you have to solve the questions on each and every topic. Without solving the questions on each and every topic, you can't have a good foundation or a clear understanding of the topic. Okay, so some of the platforms where you can practice these topics are like HackerRank, Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, CodeChef, Codeforces. And my suggestion is to start with HackerRank for the beginner level. It includes very basic questions which will help you to clear your basic knowledge. After that, you can go for LeetCode, CodeChef for the advanced level of questions, and they include like awesome questions. So before going to the last step of this DSA roadmap, I would like to tell you like these all topics are not going to complete in just within 1 year. Okay, in 6 months, 3 months, like that. You must need like minimum of 2 years to have a very clear knowledge about all these topics and have a very strong foundation in solving the questions on these topics. Okay, So don't get demotivated uh, if you are unable to solve the questions. Okay, it takes time. Okay, for me also it took time to get to know about all these topics. Like you can learn them theoretically, but practically it is not easy to complete all these topics. And one tip is, uh, I'm just listing out the topics that you must study for the data structures and algorithms. Don't first learn just about the data structures and after go for the algorithms. Read them, study them parallelly. Like in arrays, there is a concept of sorting, then searching. So while you are sorting and searching in the arrays, use the algorithms for the sorting and searching. Okay, learn them parallelly so that you will have a very clear knowledge on all the topics and you cover as much as topics you can. The last step to test and showcase your skill is through competitive programming. So competitive programming questions are bit way harder than the questions asked in interviews and for the purpose of placements. Even if you don't do it, it's completely fine. So if you want to do it, then the websites follows like LeetCode, CodeChef, HackerRank, Codeforces. You can register for the competitions and do it. So all the best, and concluding my video over here. Let's meet you in the next video. If you have any questions, you can just comment it down or reach me on the LinkedIn. So let's meet you in the next video.